Hey everyone, today we've got the Nordic Ware Simply Sourdough Starter Kit for homemade bread. I bought it at Costco and it was about $70. Let's unbox it. It comes with a quick start guide and recipe book. It's light. Important, for best baking results, do not preheat this pan prior to baking. Simply add dough to room temperature pan and place in oven. Rinse and dry pan and lid before initial use. So you want to clean it first. So it's light and it says it's made of durable aluminized steel. It's probably part aluminum, part steel, I'm guessing, because like I said, it's pretty light. It also says that the interior nonstick is a silicone-based coating made without PFAS that prevents the dough from sticking and is easy to clean. So, sounds like that's a good thing. You get a glass starter jar. You get a retractable lame, and what this is a little blade that you can score the top of the bread. It's taped shut. Which is basically a razor blade with a handle so you don't cut yourself. It comes with a silicone lifting sling. Easily lift bread dough in and out of the pan, prevents bread from sticking, replaces the need for parchment paper. Infinitely reusable sling is oven safe up to 500 degrees. Bakes in the oven with your bread, dishwasher safe. You get a bench scraper and you get a Danish whisk. So what we need to do is wash all this stuff and then bake some bread.